This is a wowee. Holy smokes. Man, oh man. Every one of these is just mint. Unfortunately, I'm fighting the sun. Wow. You don't see any of the wires. Everything's clean and tidy. Unique roll cage. Boy, look at that carpeting. Coleman cooler. Easy for me to say. Wow. Looks like German weave carpeting. Every time I look at these, I think that's the radio delete, the ashtray. And as you can see, it's not the radio delete. So this definitely wasn't here yesterday. They only allow Chevy and GMC. But today it's open to every manufacturer. So for you Ford guys, this is Casey's paint shop. He was the painter on Gas Monkey Garage. I shot a little of this yesterday, but it's such a beautiful truck. And the interior is so nice. Even his tow vehicle is pretty sweet looking. So that steering wheel is cut down, but it's very similar to a 48 Lincoln. I used to have a steering wheel like that. Sold it. I bought it for a project and then went in a different direction. US Mag wheels. This one's for sale. 75 Bourbon, 18K. They got the wiper blade covering up their phone number. 480-216-4819. They must have had the glue-on rain gutters. They don't get much rain out here.